Dash from keycommerce.com here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Ads account. You need to do this in order to be able to run paid ads on Google. So let's go through the process. Go to ads.google.com and click on the Start Now button. If you haven't already signed into your Gmail account, you'll need to do so before continuing. Once you log in, Google will ask you some basic information about your business. Enter the business name and your website so that Google knows where your ads will be going. Next, you'll see a page with various linking options. Here, you can link to your YouTube, mobile app, Google Business, and even your phone number. If you don't have any accounts that you want to link to right now, that's okay. You can go ahead and skip this step and come back to it later. On this screen, Google prompts you to create your first campaign, but for now, we only want to get the account set up. Better to create your campaign later so that you can have more control over the setup process. We have a separate video on that, and I'll leave a link to that down below. Past this step, don't simply click on the skip button, as that will only skip this one step. You want to go here and click the drop-down arrow and select Leave Campaign Creation. On this page, you'll need to confirm your account settings, such as your country and currency. Make sure everything's correct before you click Submit, as you can't change this later. Here, Google offers a couple of extra options, so choose which ones are relevant to you and click Submit. And that's it. You've created your Google Ads account. In the next video in this series, I'm going to show you how to link your new Google Ads account to your Shopify store. Click here to watch that video.